How to draw in PowerPoint. To draw in PowerPoint, first go to File menu and then choose Options. From the options, click on Customize ribbon. Now under the Customize ribbon, you can select Draw. You can see different options of draw here. Just click OK and you will be good to go. Click on Draw and you will see different pencils and pens that you can use to draw. You can change the thickness of the pen. You can change the colors. Okay, let's go with this one. Click and drag on the slide to draw anything you want. I hope you have learned how to draw in PowerPoint. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.